in each of the 108 wards of this senatorial district have been very free, fair, and peaceful, even as we had just one candidate that have been returned unopposed. Total number of votes scored by the winning candidate is 121,425 votes. And the candidate that have won and returned elected and nominated as the senatorial candidate for Akpabio Northwest is distinguished Senator Akpabio Clinches APC. Congratulations.
Today is a day of joy. I don't think 100 and something thousand votes, I think 120 something thousand is not bad. And that is just for members of the APC. I know that this senatorial district normally has at least 880,000 to 1 million registered voters. So this is just our party. But even at that, at short notice, they all turn up and they exercise their franchise. So on a working day like this, when many of them have traveled to different locations and for their vocations. So let me say that I accept this nomination with all amount of gladness and glory to God Almighty.